warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are well and able to practice in learning with Miss Erin. Before we start, let's pray together. Pray in heart begins. Pray finish. Is everyone present today? Everyone is present. It means everyone is healthy and can participate in today's learning. Before starting, tidy up your uniform and sit first, so you can focus and ready to study. Okay, next, look to the picture. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and 17. Wow, there are 17 marbles. If we have 17 marbles, can we group them so that we don't need to count them one by one? Yes, we can make a group. Look at the picture. I saw you. There they can be grouped into 10 and 7s. What happens if 10 marble units to become one group? The marble will be divided into two groups of 10 and 7. Next, why does the number 17 choose of two numbers? It is namely 1 and 7. What does each number mean? Does anyone know? No one know yet. So today we will learn to answer the question. In the previous meeting, we studied number 1 to 20. In today's meeting, we will study the place values of number 1 to 20. We will study topic C, place values, with this learning objective. First is you can read and write numbers 1 to 20 correctly, and second is you can determine the place values of number, units, and tens correctly. We have a story with title The Adventures of Dina and the Tens House and Unit House. So you have to listen, and later Miss will ask question, and later Miss will ask question related to story. One afternoon, Dina was playing in the park. She found a pocket containing a colorful stick. With spiral, he started counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Dina smiled. That's our 15 sticks. How many sticks did Dina find? Yes, 15 sticks. Next, suddenly two little house appeared that can speak. House first said, "Hello Dina, I Tens house. I may only feel if there are exactly 10 sticks. After entering 10 sticks, they will later be exchanged with 1 stick tens of stick." House second said, "Hello Dina, I'm from Unit House. I fell in a number not enough out of 10. Okay, how many sticks did I put in the tens house and the unit house?" Okay, of course, 10 when tens house and then unit house was less than 10. Dina soon entered the sticks in house. He counts fast, then shares the sticks. However, because in a hurry, Dina put in 8 sticks to tens house and 7 sticks to unit house. 10 house are seen in confusion. Dina, I can only make 10 sticks for 1 pen. Now, I am not yet full. Unit house also said, "Our sticks have not made more than 9. If more, must have made tens probably." Dina was silent. But the amount is still 15. Why does house disagree? Then house said, "Try to think about it again. If there are 15 sticks, how many should I get?" Unit house adding, "And how much should enter to me so the correct?" Dina start thinking. Is the number of stick Dina put in each house correct? Dina's method is still wrong. So let's help her to solve this by answering the following question correctly. First, is Dina's method for diving 15 sticks correct? No, it's not. Dina's method is still wrong. Second, how many sticks should be placed in the 10 holes? Yes, of course, 10 sticks. How many sticks should be placed in the unit holes? Yes, less than 10 sticks. And last, if there is 1 tens and 5 units, how many are there? Yes, correctly, 15. Miss has a concrete media called a place values for. Here, there are tens and unit holes. Miss also has green sticks. Let's try counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, and 13. There are 13 sticks. Let's write them on whiteboard. 13. Next, how many will we put in the tens house? Yes, 10 sticks. In the story about the tens house, it was said that 10 sticks put in the tens house can be replaced with 1 10 stick. Miss has a pink stick that is likened to 10 sticks. So in the tens house, there is 1 10 sticks. Next, in the unit house, how many sticks we will put in the unit house? There are 3 green sticks. So 3 green sticks are put in house unit. So the number 13 consists of 110 place values and 3 units place values. Next, Miss will divide you into 4 groups based on attendance. You will work on worksheet consisting of 2 activities. Activity 1 is reading and writing numbers using concrete object. Miss will distribute concrete object to each group in different types and quantities. Student will then record the numbers of object obtained and how to read the number in the table provided in the worksheet. Then students will write the number of objects in the pictures and how to spell or read numbers list in the table in activity 1. Activity 2 is determining place value. Students will determine the appropriate place values in the units and tens column is on the worksheet. Okay, how long does it take you to complete this worksheet? Is 10 minutes enough? Okay, enough. If anyone has difficult understanding the instruction, you can ask Miss. Okay, start work on the group. Have you finished the worksheet? If you finish, if so, it's time for the presentation. Okay, the group presentation is finished, so let's discuss together. First activity 1. Read and write numbers. In group 1 is 12 draw correctly. Next 13 balls. Third is 14 pencils. And the last one 18 carrot. Is everything correct? Okay, that's alright. And activity 2. Determine mark place value tens and units. 13 is 1 tens and 3 units. 19 is 1 tens and 9 units. And the last 14 is 1 tens and 4 units. Is everything correct? Okay, that's alright. All group have presentation and their answer all correct. Next, Miss will provide transformer material so that you understand more about place value. You can listen to Miss explanation so you can understand it better. Place values. Number consists of place values. Place values is the value of a digit numbers on its position in a number. In the numbers 1 to 20, there are 2 place values. First is tens. Tens are group of 10. Example, if there are 10 bananas, then the tens place has 1. Next, if the 20 banana, tens place is second is units. Units are objects whose quantity is less than 10. Example, there are 6 books. So the unit values is 6. Next, if there are 14 balls, then the unit values is 4. Tens values is 1. Miss have example. Halim has 15 marbles. We can show the place values of number 15. 10 marbles in a bag and 5 marbles. So the place values of 15 is 1 tens and 5 units. Are there any questions? If there are no questions, Miss has a song with title Dance and One Song, with the accompaniment of the tune Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now let's sing together. Tens and ones help numbers grow. Let's learn numbers as we go. 10 in a group, one big 10. Count the ones and gone again. 11, 12, 13, 2, 14, 15, just for you. 16, 17, 18 more. 19, 20, let's explore. One big 10 and one we see. That's numbers come to be. Applause. You all can memorize the song, okay? Since you already understand the materials, to test your understanding, we will do quiz. This quiz is like a motor game. In the quiz, there is a character that can be moved forward, backward, right, or left. The quiz has section containing question. Section can be answered individually. The question consists of 10 questions. You will complete quickly and most correct. Once will get the high ranking. Students who enter the top 3, we give a star by Miss. We start the quiz with a duration 2 minutes. Is that enough? Since everyone has joined, Miss will start. You can move your character in the game. Go to the question box to answer the question. The first question is on 18. The answer is units or tens. Yes, units. Then click collect. The next question is 7 on 17. The answer is yes, units. And then collect. And find the following are include the units value 1 on 15 or 3 on 13. Yes, 3 on 13. And then collect. Having done everything, I'll end. Yeah, we have finished game. What is fun? It must be fun, right? Now, let's reflect on what you have learned from today's lesson. First, what are tens? Tens is number at 10. Next, what are units? Units is numbers less than 10. And last, how do you determine the place value of a number? Group 10 units as the 10 and rest as units. Of all the activity we have done, is there anything that still confuse you? No? Okay, now this session is for working on the evaluation question independently. Collaboration or copying is not allowed. The evaluation question will be complete within 2 minutes. The evaluation question have been complete. We will correct them. There are score below 70. They will be remedial question, while those above 70 will do enrichment question. Is everything finished? It's time to correct the evaluation question first. Write it down. Simple numbers from 14. Is everyone writing the numbers 14 correctly? Yes, correctly. Number 8. The number 20 is 2 tens and 0 units. Correctly. Number 9. 1 tens and 4 units is correctly 14. And the last 1 tens and 8 units is 80. Look at the 3 high score. Oh, Ira, Hasan, and Rizka will be given star, and you can collect them later. How do you feel today after participating in today's lesson? Are you happy or sleepy or sad? Are you all happy? Yay, everything is happy. For the next meeting, to make it even more exciting, you can first study the material topic D, comparing numbers. Today's lesson ends here. Thank you for participation. To close the lesson, let's pray first. According to our respective religion, praying in heart begins. Praying finish. Please close today's lesson. See you at the next meeting. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.